How to create a Instagram business account. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can able to create your business account in Instagram. So first, when the customers will be able to see your business account on Instagram to show awareness, you can also share content and try different like posts, stories, reels to get the word out about your business. And especially now that we are going online, it is very important for us to have this Instagram business account for us to get new customers, to encourage people to purchase a product or services by clicking through your website or your Instagram account. And we can also build relationships even though we don't see our customers physically by encouraging them to subscribe appointments and questions or communicate to them using Instagram Direct. Instagram business account also have this advertisement, and you can start by boosting in just 5 easy steps. First is to choose a post to boost or to promote. It can be an existing reels, stories, or feed post into an ad. And then you can also use pictures and videos to grab attention and highlight your product's benefits that tends to perform the best. The second step would be selecting your goal, whether you want to encourage them to just visit your profile or you can increase web traffic or connect with more customers through chat. You can able to choose your goal. And also defining your audience, it is to target the people with similar interest that already love your brand and customers, or customize your audience based on interest and demographic. And the third step would be defining your audience. This part would be targeting the people that loves your brand, or you can also customize your audience based on their interest and their demographics. Fourth would be setting a budget and duration. Of course, we need a budget for us to run that ad. And then 5 would be review and launch your ad, and making sure everything looks good, and then boost your post, and then your ad will start running as soon as you confirm. And that is the overview on how we can able to utilize our Instagram business account. So let's focus on logging in and signing in up in Instagram business account by going on to the dashboard. Make sure that you go to business.instagram.com, then click this login. And then you will be redirected in here. If you already have a personal account, you can opt to switch that into business account, or you can also make a new business account separately. And now we are logged in already to our business account, and we can customize our settings by going through the bottom of your dashboard, and then click more, then click settings. And then in here for edit profile, we can change our profile photo, and then we can also edit our website, but make sure that you are editing on your mobile account because we cannot change the links in desktop view. So you can also put a bio, a gender, and then you can choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile, and whether your account can be suggested on other profiles. You can turn this off if you want. And then for the professional account, you can display your category label. You can change this product or services. If you are a personal blog, art, musician, shopping, health, beauty, grocery store, can change by doing so. And then you can put your business email and your WhatsApp number, and then your phone number. And then for language preferences, you can choose the language that you want. And the apps and websites. These are the apps that are connected to your business account, and they can access non-public information that you choose to share with them. You can see the expired and removed apps. And for email notifications, you can have this feedback emails, reminder emails, product emails, news emails, promotional support. If you want to turn this off or on, you can do so. Also in push notifications, you can edit this one for the likes and comments if you want to get notified, or comment likes, post and stories, followers, accepted follower request. You can also do that in here. Edit this one. You can also edit on what you see, who can see your content. You can choose to private your account, but I suggest not to, since this is your business account and we want everyone to know about your business, right? So on how others can interact with you, of course you want them to know that you're online. Allow mentions if other customers will mention you on their stories or their reels. And in supervision, you can also edit that. You can look that in here. And then we want to connect our business account into account center in Meta. Just click this one. So if you have a other accounts, business accounts, especially on Meta or Facebook, you can add it in here, and you can able to monitor your statistics or your messages in one account in this account center. And in connected experiences, you can also share across profiles. You can add your accounts to enable connected experiences, like sharing your Instagram story and post to Facebook one at a time. Hindi pala one at a time. At the same time. Okay, you can also do that, posting Instagram and on Facebook. And in here, you can able to edit your password and security or add preferences. And I think that is it. That is how you create your business account on Instagram. And I hope that you have learned something from this one. And if you want more videos on how to create things like this, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again the next time.